As the conflict in Ukraine continues to escalate, the German government has recently stepped up its military assistance by supplying 7 Primoco 1 drones to Ukraine. A year earlier, Ukraine had received a similar drone from Luxembourg. Depending on the model and the number of units, the Primoco drone is a medium-sized unmanned aerial vehicle focused on civilian and military applications, used to perform surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Each stage of Primoco 1's flight is controlled by remote control. In addition, the aircraft can also execute a fully autonomous flight plan and can perform automatic takeoffs and landings thanks to an integrated autopilot system. In performing operations, Primoco 1 has a maximum takeoff weight of 150 kilograms and is capable of carrying a payload of 30 kilograms in the air, as well as endurance during flight of up to 15 hours on a single battery charge. The designed drone is capable of working for long-term missions, as it shows significant battery life so that it can support long flights. A wide range can increase its effectiveness in military operations. The cruising speed of the Primoco drone reaches 120 kilometers per hour, and the operational control radius from the ground station is up to a range of 200 kilometers, and the overall distance traveled reaches 2,000 kilometers. Its short runway is 300 meters long, giving operators the ability to carry out air missions from remote locations and limited airport facilities. The drone can take off and land during the day or night and can operate in challenging situations as well as adverse weather conditions. For propulsion, the drone is powered by a 344-stroke fuel injection piston engine and 4 cylinders with 2 propellers located at the rear of the fuselage. The Primoco UAV as an electric aircraft has unparalleled performance compared in its category, while at the same time saving operating costs. Equipped with tail bombs and wings mounted on the top, the drone is based on a full composite fuselage and has fixed tricycle-type landing gear. Primoco 150 has dimensions with a length of 3.65 meters, a wingspan of 4.85 meters, and a height of 1.25 meter. In carrying out various missions, Primoco drones are equipped with various types of cameras and encrypted communication modules. These drones can carry out real-time video and information capture, as well as search, rescue, border, and coastal security operations. The drone has advanced features such as an N1-to-C data link from Persistent Systems and a radio station from L3 Harris. It has a laser rangefinder, an SD thermal imaging channel in the Moore band, and an electro-optical observation unit, Epsilon 180 Full HD infrared wavelength housed in the gimbal. The Primoco 1 drone is manufactured by the Primoco UAV company in the Czech Republic, offering versatility to tailor the aircraft to fit the various needs of customer missions. The drone has successfully conducted its first test flight for military applications in 2015. The supply of foreign drones to Ukraine could potentially contribute to the country's defense capabilities. The deployment of these advanced UAVs reflects ongoing efforts to enhance Ukraine's military capabilities and address tactical challenges. Primoco drones are equipped with advanced features, making them valuable assets in surveillance and reconnaissance missions, as well as playing an important role in Ukraine's defense strategy to support military operations and improve situational awareness on the battlefield.